Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install plugins Adobe After Effects. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the File Explorer on your PC and then go to the install location of Adobe After Effects. Usually it is in the Windows disk, but if you change the location, then you just need to get to it. For me, it is Program Files, Adobe After Effects, then Support Files. Make sure you don't click on this one as it is not a folder. Inside Support Files, go to Plugins and then access the Effects folder. Now you can just copy and paste the plugin in this folder and that's it. Just make sure that the After Effects app is completely closed or the plugin won't get installed. So that's basically how you can install plugins Adobe After Effects. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.